What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review I am bringing back the water filter. I have a Samsung refrigerator, but I will post up all of the models and stuff that this belonged to. I have the one with the French doors on it. It has the French doors, it has the the ice makers right here. And to find your model, give me a second. Let's see if you want to find, well, kind of rough here, but I believe if you want to find your model and stuff, you look at your sticker on your refrigerator. So there you go with that. Or you could just pull out your old filter and check your old filter out and then try to match up what you have, and it has a model right here on here. So y'all see that Waterdrop Now on here it says up to 6 months right there, and it says capacity is 300 gallons as far as the capacity goes. The flow rate, it says 0.5 gallons. You got your temperature, your pressure, and everything right there. But I'm not going to tell you the science of all of this, okay? Because I don't know the science of all this. I just know how to replace it. So that's what we are going to do. I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter in your refrigerator. Now mine is all the way down. On here it says lock and unlock. So what you do is lefty loosey is unlock. Twist. And you could keep twisting so it could come out. So this is the old filter that I reviewed on the channel. I believe it was last year. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in. When you put it in, just twist it, push, and then twist. Get yourself some Clorox wipes from Sam's Club. I don't know if Costco have any. We'll just wipe up the water and we'll clean the refrigerator while we at it. Nice and easy, you guys. And that's how you change your water filter for the ones that have this style. Let me close this. Okay, so since we changed the water filter, you have to go ahead and reset your light right here. So to reset the light, it says water, hold 3 seconds for a filter reset. So y'all see it right there. Water, hold 3 seconds for filter reset. And now we're good. All right, you guys, and I forgot to tell y'all that they had stickers. So you didn't have to use a marker, but if yours don't come with stickers, use a marker. I basically didn't see no difference when we changed the old one from the new one. So, I mean, if you want to be all political and, strict about it, then you could be in the comments and let everybody know why it's very important to change your water filter on your refrigerator. But I didn't see no difference as far as flow went. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.